Hi guys, and welcome to Beeldly. So today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how you can register and get into the system to start making use of Beeldly. The first thing you need to do is to sign up. Once you read through everything you've seen on the page and you understand perfectly well what is required of you, you can click on sign up. Now, once it takes you to the sign up page, you put in the information you want to make use of, but I have already signed up, so please feel free to do the sign up by yourself. So if you're signing up, it will request you to input some things. One of them is your business name, if you have a business name. If not, you can use your name on this. Have your name input, your email, and select the package you're interested in. Now, don't worry, for any package you select and for any duration you select, you can still do the trial and still build your website without concern of payment at first. Now, select the package you want, whether it's going to be a monthly or the yearly, based on package type. Confirm the password, type in your password and confirming the password, then you are good to go. Now check I am not a robot to confirm that you are good and you can proceed by clicking on sign up. But now let's just click on sign in first to enter the system and see what we have to work with. Now when I log in, I'll get to the dashboard. You will see all these notifications showing that you are on trial and it's good. If you want to go outright to click on upgrade and upgrade, that's fine. But now we're focusing more on trying to build a project first. See whether this is for you, that this creates the solution that you need for you to create the business that you deserve or the website that you want to create. I'll click on project and there will be a drop down. I'll click on add new project because right now I do not have any project currently on this account. So this will load a visual interface that will give you a place for you to create your website. It's quite simple and straight and direct. So we're going to do a quick one to build an interface. So I want to build a website for a shopping or a fashion company or fashion stuff. So what we're going to do now is to click on our navigations. If you look at these sections, we understand the system and interface. Let's first of all understand all the interfaces. Now, this is called the sections area. So this manages the sections. If you're aware of sections, it's practically containers. Containers are the sections like the header, the body, and the footer. All right. So we have under here, we have the global styling. You select the kind of style you want. If you want to build a light website or a dark website based on the theme of the website, whether you want it to look dark or be light. Now, the other one is the pages because here you have the pages and then you can be able to add more pages if you mind because you only come with index, which is the first page of the website, the home page. All right. Or the landing page, depending on what you're building. Now, if you click on this, it takes you back to your dashboard, but we don't want to go back to our dashboard. We want to we want to start creating something in the visualizer. So let's just begin. Now, the next thing we're going to do first is to go back to our section and click on navigations. So on navigation, I'm going to go ahead to choose any of the head navigations that I would like. Make sure to just go around and choose the one that you want. As you can see, once you click on this, and if you don't like, you can easily delete and choose another one. So I'm going to add this again by choosing the one that I feel is okay for what I want to build. Feel free, if you hover over it, it will give you the output of what you want and you click, then select the one that best fits what you want. So I'm going to pick on this and we can proceed with this. Now, the next thing I want to add is my slider because after this, I should have the header area or the slider area, depending on what you want to call it. So I just put it as header. Now you click on this, it gives you that hero background, header or slider, as the case may be. Now in this particular interface, now I have this navigation and the header area. So the next thing I need to add is my description or something. Then based on what you're building, you can add as many things as possible. Remember that. So I'm going to go and I'm going to click on description and I want to add something that is a little bit dark themed, but not too cliche. So this is fine. Now, in the next video, we're going to be talking about how we can modify this. But first of all, let me just add all the sections so that we can have them in place. So I want to have a little bit of gallery. I'll add this quickly. And I will now add the last but not the least because I want to just go straight to the point and build a footer. All right, so if I scroll, you see what we have. So we're going to go ahead to edit this content to just become a simple background landing page.